run escape. Don't mind my siblings in the background. Yeah, yes, welcome back. This isn't actually welcome back because I've only posted one other video. Sorry, guys. JK. Anyway, okay, never mind. Anyway, so, welcome back to another video where we are going to play Flood Escape for a little bit. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, so I'm playing Roblox. Don't mind the little chat thingy-majiggies in the corner, I think, if you can see them. Anyway, it's just Discord. My bro. He downloaded something. So, successful. Okay. Booyah. Yeah, what? Yes, come on. I got this. Okay, fun game. Yes? Oh, someone died. I swear I was almost dead then. Okay, anyway. Sorry about that. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, but I was failing miserably. Just kidding. Okay, that was close. Yeah. Look at these awesome skills. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He's gonna get that because he's good at doing what he does. Yeah. Okay, guys, by the way, okay, so there's a problem I need to fix, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back, I fixed the problem. Oh, I almost died then. Anyway, sorry about that, yeah. Sorry about that, yeah. Okay, sorry about that, bros. Sorry about that, yes. Look at me go! This is how I roll. LOL. Come on, you got this. He died. Oh, okay, hard again. Yeah, yes. Okay. There's yeah, anyway. This is awesome. I like this game. I hope you like it, but it's more like you guys might not enjoy it because, you know, you're watching me play it and it's not a very enjoyable game on Roblox. Like, obbies might be enjoyable, but I don't know if this would be as enjoyable for you. So, yeah. Leave a like if you enjoy and just comment what you want me to play next. I know we're only 3 minutes in the video, but it's fine for you to comment right now. Perfectly fine, Sonny. Boy. Okay? Yeah, go ahead and comment. Like, I'm not ending the video yet. Don't even think about it. You should see my face right now. Yeah, I'm a child. What? I need to get a face cam, even though, like, I'm very early on in my video career. Yeah, I'm level 45. Okay, one moment. I need to do something. Yeah. Hello? 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 Okay. I think I messed that up. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, let's try to actually, you know, do this. because this is very stressful. I haven't played an insane one in forever. I haven't played Roblox in forever. JK. I might utterly fail and die, like I normally do. I haven't actually died yet. Hello? Hi! I'm recording a video! I'm wondering if they can hear you. I'm wondering if they can hear you. I died accidentally on sinking ship. It's upsetting now. Are you gonna join me? I should play with you. That sounds hilarious. That's funny. I'm gonna play with you. Very soon. Yes, I'm gonna play with you. So guys, hi. We're gonna exit now. See you. Technical difficulties. Yeah. Go, do that, yep. Oh, ice cream? Yummy. Hi. Yeah, I know. You're still, it's getting so big. Wait, am I full? I think I'm full. This is so much, the music's super loud. This is so much like Mining Simulator. Yeah, you just went around and licked your ice cream. Flavors. How far are you in the game? This is such a strange game. I might have enough for the strawberry ice cream. Yep, I have enough. Wait, I have to equip a skin? It's just a skin? Is that it? Does it help any? I shouldn't have done that. And it doesn't even have all of them as strawberry. Okay, that's strangely freaky. Yes, I'm gonna actually get a cone. That might have been a better idea. Did they actually help you? Oh my gosh. What even is wrong? Okay, so I need a lot of money. Wait, I think actually the strawberry gives you more money. Because if you fill up and then you go to the stand, it gives you like 18 if you fill up fully. Or maybe that's just something weird. This is hilarious. I love it. It's great. I know, that is very weird. That actually, yeah. Well, that's why it's weird. Wait, did you have to buy for your skin? Oh, nice abs. Have you bought a builder's club? I'm assuming yes. Can you give me some Robux? No, just like enough to get a builder's club myself. No, it's not that much. It's like 100 something. Really? But it says it gives you Robux. Wait, but do you have it? Okay, I think I should. I think I have enough for another type of cone. I can get vanilla for 200 coins. I'm gonna aim for chocolate, which costs like 600 something. Actually, I'm gonna buy something right now. I'm gonna buy strawberry. Wait, no, I'm gonna buy vanilla. Equip. There, okay. I think I have, do I have strawberry? No, I have vanilla, dang it. How much does it cost to rebirth? Super rebirth! That's sad. Okay, how do I do codes? No, not quests. Wait, what? The bird? Okay, what code? What? Pets. Oh, yay, I got tokens. Redeem. Do you like my jump? No, you don't. I wish the ice cream would melt. Bum 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 ba dum bum ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum ba dum bum 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 bum. Mine is huge. I'm walking on this guy's head. I was. Yeah. No, he just knocked me off. He was very rude. How am I beating you? Flavors, pumpkin, 150, mango. Oh, I need 189. Wait, where's that Halloween thing? Oh, you have to have one rebirth. And then 2,000 total scoops, you can go into the Choco Cafe.